Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to design a Wells-type propeller using AutoCAD 2026. We'll start by displaying the specifications of the propeller. The process we'll follow is a combination of different modelling techniques to create a detailed and accurate 3D design. As mentioned, we'll be using AutoCAD 2026 for this tutorial. First, I'll set the units to meters since that's the standard unit in this size system. Next, using the circle command, I'll draw a circle with a radius of 0.0275 meters, which represents the final diameter of the propeller. I'll place the center of this circle at the coordinates 0, 0. To get a clear view, I'll use the zoom and extent commands. Then, from the Properties panel, I'll double-check the circle's radius to make sure everything is accurate. Now I'll draw a line that's 0.03 meters long. This will act as part of the guidelines for shaping the propeller. It's a good idea to turn on Ortho mode F8 to make sure the lines are perfectly straight. With that on, I'll go ahead and carefully draw the rest of the guidelines. Next, I'll use the polyline command to sketch the outline of the propeller blade. Once that's done, I'll delete the guidelines, since we won't need them anymore. I'll then use the pedit command to convert the polyline into smooth, curved segments. For the part that connects to the shaft, I'll draw an ellipse. The exact shape here can vary depending on the propeller's application and design. Now I'll define the length of the blade based on its distance from the shaft, and enter that into the elevation field. Under the Solid tab, I'll use the Loft command to create a solid between the two shapes. Switching to the realistic view, you can now see the 3D shape of the propeller. Next, I'll design the section of the shaft that connects to the blade. I'll use a combination of the circle and extrude commands to model it. Be sure to enter the correct dimensions here, as precision is important for proper fitting and function. Then, I'll rotate the propeller to the desired orientation using the 3D rotate command and drag it into place. To create multiple blades around the shaft, I'll use the polar array command. I'll set the number of blades to 7. At this stage, the propeller is mostly complete and you can view it from different angles. Next, I'll fully model the shaft. To hollow it out, I'll create a smaller cylinder, then use the subtract command. This subtracts the volume of the smaller cylinder from the larger one, creating a hollow shaft. Now, I'll make sure that the edges of the propeller blades don't extend beyond the boundary defined by the initial circle. To do this, I'll first use the union command to merge all solid parts. Then, I'll use the intersect command to trim away any extra geometry that goes beyond the limit. As you can see, everything worked perfectly and the propeller is now ready.